Yo, what is up, family? 2025 now, and this is the first video on this channel this year. Of course, I've been doing some live videos, but yeah, those ones don't count. This is the first video on this channel this year, man. So happy new year, and today I'm gonna be showing you how I'm mixing my beats this year, man. So the first thing first is the sound selection. You know, sound selection is the best thing for making your beat sound hard. Originally, the beat sounds like this.
Trinity, you are God.
So basically, the beat is just not really well mixed. It's just a little bit of leveling so that some sounds don't sound as loud. Now what I want to do is I want to select everything. We already have this one on the mixer, so just select the choir and this one as well and expand, and yeah, then go to my mixer and insert, and then click Control Shift then L. So those things are gonna be there, and then after that what I'm gonna do is sort by track. And after that, select everything by clicking Control Shift and then selecting. After I select, I want to route to this track only, and then rename this track, call it Melody, and then dog it to the left. Boom. Now I'm gonna assume that everything else that's left is part of the drums, because now I did the melody. So I'm just gonna select everything that is left. Take everything, Control Shift L, and then it's gonna be pasted here. Control Shift select everything, and then route everything to this track, and then call this, let's just call them tracks and call it drums, right? Oh yeah. And then I want to dog this to the left as well. So we have drums and we have melodies. It's either you listen to the loudest sounds, or you take down the volume here. I can hear that the kick is hitting hard. My right click is not working. I don't know what's going on. I can't solo any sound out, so I'm just gonna switch off these. But there's a reason why I'm doing this. I feel like the kick has too much low. Oh, it's actually high. Okay, let's have a delay here. The snare has some lows, but not too much, so I can just dip it down there. Let me select every sound that is playing right now and shift it this side, and take the sound that is not playing and shift it this side. The reason I'm doing this is because I want the consistent playing sound to be mixed first. Yeah, so now I have almost all the drum sounds. Let's find these ones here.
You are Trinity, you are God.
This is my tag. What I normally do to my tag is just put an EQ. This one. And a delay. The reason why I don't EQ a lot is because the volume is too low, so I can't hear some of the clash. But I can hear that now there's like some disturbance here. And also keep in mind that when you EQ something out, the volume might go down, so you might need to increase it a little bit. Okay, these ones I think they're at the beginning. I want to put like a delay. Okay, this one also wants a delay. This one wants some EQ somewhere here. Okay, that's basically it. Don't spend too much overthinking a lot of things. Don't do that. So after that, what I want to do is put in a compressor. I want to do a compressor over here. You can use any compressor, but I like this one. Put it on the drums only. But I think it's lacking a punch, so I'm just gonna take the kick up. I missed something. Yeah, I can tell that I missed something. There's this one. Let's check with the EQ though. Let's check the frequencies. Keep in mind that the melody is gonna play somewhere here, right? And somewhere here. So you might want to take here a little bit down. By the way, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. Now let's take down the drums. What I want to do right now is mix the melody. I don't want everything, I just want the piano. The reason why I'm EQing, there's no need to EQ the low end because there's no bass or 808, so just gonna do this and maybe increase here a little bit. Yeah. Okay. So this one I just want a reverb. Okay, this is dope. So what I want to do with the melody, I also want to put a compressor, but I'm going to use OTT. I think OTT is just best for melodies. Just decrease the depth. To make sure that the melody and the drums are well balanced, what you want to do is take down the volume of the master, listen to the drums, make sure the drums are louder than the melody. So after that, what I normally do to the master, depending on how loud I think it is, I just put a soft clipper, but if I feel like it's not loud enough, I put this compressor again to the master and then I increase the output. Yep, it's not loud enough, so I'm gonna put the compressor, take the master, the out thingy to 3.